Hello, my fellow Alignable and Alliance member. This is Ronald, one of the ambassador here in the East Bay Alliance, California. I just want to make a short video because many people, especially who is new in Alignable, are asking us how to use Alignable properly. So basically, when you want to attend either in person or virtual, of course you're gonna go in here and you're gonna have instead of edit event, you're gonna have join event here and saying that you are joining the event. For example, let me see one example of here, registered, right? Once you click that, you're gonna receive an email saying that you're registered for an event. So basically, that one is a good indication that you are registered. Once you registered, maybe a few days before the event, they will tell Alignable will send you an email like this, saying that I just want we just want to remind you that you are registered to this kind of event in this case in-person event. Are you still gonna be there or not gonna make it? Especially, I know for me, I want to commit myself. So once I click here, so I already have the mentality of commitment. I will try my best to be there. But of course, sometimes, clients call you, sometimes family emergency or something. Hopefully, it's not a really uh, emergency. So hopefully that everybody can come. So once you register there, you're gonna be when you come back here, you will see how many people really confirm to come. So what you're gonna see is okay. I want to meet this one, this one. I wanna meet Christopher. I wanna meet uh, Brian. I wanna meet Alexi, I want to meet Joe. Where's Lara? Okay. Yeah. So all of these people are already committed partially that they will be in that event. And then sometimes, like I said, there's a reason that they cannot come. So depending on the situation, again, it is up to you. But for us, we want to commit ourselves, making sure that you are there. And once you are in that the day, like this, for example, this one is tomorrow. Once before you even go to the location, please open up your app already because we will see once you are nearby the location, you can check in. And for us to have an easy way to check in is to have your app open and you just click your profile and say, okay, I'm in the event already. So you're going to be in this lineup of all people who checked in. Of course, we're going to bring the code and we're gonna have a different way to check in, but this is the best way to do it is for your app to open already. And like I said, once the purpose of the in-person event or virtual event is making sure that you are concentrated on meeting people, meeting business owner, meeting your alliance members in that event, and you are not fiddling with your calling card or your contact information because you cannot find it. You try to find it in your pocket or purchase, right? So please make sure that you check in, and then once you check in and then the event is done, you will receive this email saying that, oh, thank you for attending. And you will see this view attendees list. And you're going to have all the attendees who checked in, all the attendees who is in that event to be there. So you have the chance, if you really like the person who is not salesy, the person who is really nice to talk to, you have uh, some kind of same town that you grew up to, some kind of same condition that you're on right now. Maybe you are same as a uh, growing business, so you can commit, and then you can really focus in connecting with these people instead of you pigeoning and looking for the information and all this card that you receive. Sometimes it just end up in the trash anyway. So that's the way you do the right and proper way so that you can really take advantage of the alignable platform. Hopefully all of this are informative to you and you can use it in your next event. Have a nice day.